We founded these awards over 30 years ago, so it's an honour to still be able to be here today, to be able to recognise excellence in the cleaning industry and to be able to give back to so many that have achieved so many great things.
It's very regularly said that these are the Oscars of the cleaning industry. These are one of the most anticipated awards. I think they so look forward to the celebration from them.
It's really important. It's a great chance for colleagues and people working in the industry to get together. But much more, it's about celebrating the finalists and all their achievements they're doing. And it's going to be really great to hear that today.
It's a real pleasure to welcome you all to the 2026 Kimberly-Clark Professional Golden Service Awards.
These awards do far more than just recognise an achievement. They are telling a story to the outside world about excellence, innovation, professionalism, pride.
It's such an honour to follow on from Craig and Paul and to be here representing Bowel Cancer UK, the charity partner for this afternoon's awards event. Bowel Cancer UK is working tirelessly to realise our vision for the future. Your support being here this afternoon could make a huge difference.
Please welcome to the stage our host for this afternoon, Kerry Godlimer.
I think we'll go on with the awards now. Are you ready to get through some of these awards?
Amazing. Not just for me, but the whole team that have come down from Liverpool today, they are ecstatic.
Well, we would like 3 out of 3, but we'll take 2 out of 3.
It's like an Oscar to us. Oh, it's amazing. Really great. It's great for the team. It's great for everyone to be acknowledged.